analyze the code and find encryption algorithm. So here in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. First of all, we will learn about the code analysis and then about encryption algorithm, that what kind of encryption algorithm the application is using, that we are going to learn here in this video. So to perform this task, first of all I need to show you that how we can decompile the jar file again, and then we need to analyze the code. Then we need to find out the encryption algorithm inside it. So let's see. So first of all, open the tool JD-GUI, which is inside our downloads folder. So let me show you how you can open it. This is the downloads folder and JD-GUI is available here. So double click here and click here. This is the exe file of JD-GUI. So double click and open this tool. So this is the Java decompiler that we have already seen in the previous section. Okay, now I need to show you that where is the jar file is available. So you can see inside, if you go to the platform DevTools, then you will find this folder dex2jar-2.0. double click here and you can see here that jar file is available here. So you just need to drag and drop this file inside JD-GUI tool. So let me drag and drop this file inside JD-GUI tool. So this is all the files available. These all are the source code files available inside it. Expand it, and as you can see, we are working on lesson 6 activity, right? So you can click on lesson 6 and this is the source code available regarding lesson 6. Now we need to find out that what kind of encryption algorithm they are using, what kind of encryption key they are using, and the output. Come down and find out the method in which they are using encryption. Here it is. So this is the method they are using: print private string encrypt number with AES and etc. So let's check here that what kind of algorithm they are using. So here you can see that it looks like they are using AES. AES means Advanced Encryption Standard. Yeah, they are using actually AES. Here you can also see AES algorithm they are using. Now if we talk about the key, what kind of key they are using, encryption key, so we need to find here. So array of byte dot get bytes, they are taking into array of byte, and they are using array of byte here. It means this is the key. So keys Intrepid Learner 1 is your key. This is your encryption key. This is your encryption algorithm. And let's check about the output. Return base 64 encode. Okay, so they are again encoding into base 64 and they are taking output in base 64 algorithm. They are encrypting in AES with this key and they are taking the output in base 64. So this is like 2 times. First encrypt with AES, Advanced Encryption Standard algorithm, then taking the output in base 64 method. So we got the enough information about the key, algorithm and output method. So we have not completed the task yet, but we got enough information. We analyzed the code. We have decompiled the code first, then we have analyzed the code, and now we know that what kind of algorithm this application is using. So it will help us to complete this task inside the next video. So this is all about the information regarding encryption. In the next video we are going to complete this task. Thank you so much.